I will have you keep holding that for me.
Okay.
All right, here we go, poke.
Well, I felt like it was right for me and my family, and I know that it requires a level of trust, and that's kind of in short supply nowadays.
No,
See,
breathe in.
that was easy enough, right?
Easy. There we go. All right, let me get you set up in the computer here.
But I thought about what would the world be like without any vaccines, and it would look much different now. And so I want to stay healthy for my family and I, and as law enforcement and being on the front lines, we want to help protect the public and lead the way and show how it's done. And so today I'm here to get the vaccine, and it was easy peasy.